Welcome to Flux Reach, where we explore the most effective strategies for scaling your business operations and mastering the art of professional networking. Today, we are diving deep into the world of business-to-business lead generation specifically for the United Kingdom market using the power of LinkedIn. Navigating the corporate landscape in Great Britain requires a sophisticated approach that balances cutting-edge technology with high ethical standards. In this comprehensive review, we will provide you with a detailed guide on how to utilize Sales Navigator to find decision makers and build a robust sales pipeline. By following the professional methods outlined in this video, you will be able to enhance your outreach efficiency while staying fully compliant with local regulations. LinkedIn Sales Navigator serves as the premier tool for identifying high-value prospects within the United Kingdom professional ecosystem. Unlike the standard version of the platform, Sales Navigator offers advanced filtering options that allow you to narrow down your search by specific geographic locations like Greater London or the West Midlands. You can also filter potential leads by their exact job function, seniority level, and years of experience at their current company. This level of precision is essential for ensuring that your message reaches the individuals who have the authority to make purchasing decisions. By creating and saving custom lead lists, you can stay organized and monitor the activity of your most important accounts in real time. The first step in a successful lead generation process is defining your ideal customer profile and translating those characteristics into Sales Navigator filters. For the United Kingdom market, it is often helpful to categorize companies by their employee headcount and industry sector, such as retail or professional services. You should also take advantage of the Spotlights feature, which highlights prospects who have recently changed jobs or posted content on the platform. These individuals are often more receptive to new connections and business opportunities than those who are less active. Saving these filtered searches allows the platform to automatically notify you whenever a new professional meets your specific criteria. Once you have identified your target audience, the next phase involves developing a sophisticated outreach strategy that resonates with United Kingdom professionals. British corporate culture typically values a professional tone that is respectful of their time and clearly demonstrates that you have done your research. Your initial message should focus on establishing a common ground rather than launching immediately into a sales pitch. Mentioning a shared connection, a specific post they authored, or a recent achievement of their company can significantly increase your response rates. This personalized approach shows that you are seeking to build a genuine professional relationship rather than just sending mass messages. Cold outreach scripting for the United Kingdom market requires a delicate balance of directness and politeness to avoid appearing overly aggressive. You should start with a clear subject line that mentions a relevant topic or mutual interest to capture their attention in a crowded inbox. The body of your message should be concise, ideally consisting of only 3 to 4 sentences that highlight a specific challenge they may be facing. Instead of asking for a meeting right away, consider offering a valuable resource or asking a thought-provoking question that encourages a low-commitment response. This strategy helps to lower the barrier for engagement and positions you as a helpful resource rather than a persistent salesperson. A highly effective script for a United Kingdom professional might look like an invitation to exchange insights on a particular industry trend. For example, you could mention that you are connecting with leaders in the London tech sector to discuss emerging challenges in software implementation. By framing your outreach as a peer-to-peer conversation, you are more likely to earn the respect of busy executives who are weary of generic sales pitches. Always ensure that your call to action is simple and clear, such as asking if they would be open to a brief chat later in the month. Providing options for how they can engage with you further demonstrates your professional courtesy and respect for their schedule. GDPR compliance is a critical consideration for any business engaging in lead generation and cold outreach within the United Kingdom. The General Data Protection Regulation and the United Kingdom Data Protection Act mandate that you handle personal data with the utmost transparency and care. When you are reaching out to professionals, you must have a lawful basis for processing their information, which is often cited as legitimate interest in a business-to-business context. This means you must be able to demonstrate that your communication is relevant to their professional role and beneficial to their organization. You should also maintain internal records of your outreach activities to prove that you are following these essential legal frameworks. To remain fully compliant with GDPR, your outreach messages should always include information about why you are contacting the individual and where you obtained their data. For instance, you can state that you found their profile on LinkedIn and believe your services are relevant to their current position as a procurement director. Transparency is a core pillar of data protection law, and being open about your process helps to build trust with your prospects from the very first interaction. Furthermore, you must ensure that your privacy policy is easily accessible and clearly explains how you store and protect any personal information you collect. Following these steps prevents legal complications and enhances your reputation as a responsible business entity. Another vital aspect of GDPR compliance is providing an easy and immediate way for prospects to opt out of further communications. If a professional in the United Kingdom indicates that they are not interested or asks to be removed from your list, you must honor that request without delay. This includes not only stopping future messages, but also ensuring that their data is properly handled or deleted from your internal systems if requested. Implementing a robust system for managing these preferences within your customer relationship management tool is highly recommended. By respecting the privacy rights of your leads, you demonstrate a level of professionalism that is highly valued in the British business community. Data minimization is a key principle of United Kingdom data protection laws that requires you to collect only the information that is necessary for your specific purpose. When using tools to export data from LinkedIn or other sources, you should avoid gathering excessive personal details that are not relevant to your sales process. For example, focusing on professional email addresses and job titles is generally more acceptable than seeking out private home addresses or personal phone numbers. This practice not only keeps you compliant with the law, but also makes your database more efficient and easier to manage. Regularly auditing your stored data to remove inaccurate or outdated information is also a mandatory part of maintaining a healthy and legal lead list. Personal branding on LinkedIn plays a significant role in the success of your lead generation efforts for the United Kingdom market. British professionals are more likely to engage with you if your own profile is optimized and showcases your expertise in a particular niche. You should ensure that your headline clearly communicates the value you provide and that your About section acts as a professional mission statement. Including case studies, client testimonials, and featured content on your profile provides the social proof necessary to build credibility before you even send your first message. A well-maintained profile serves as a digital storefront that validates your professional identity and supports your outreach strategy.